Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites quickly. Python 3. 8 or newer and Vscode installed. Open your project folder, then create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it. This isolates packages. Once done, install the official Python and Pylance extensions and choose the interpreter from the status bar so linting and IntelliSense attached to your venv. Make sure to save workspace settings to persist that interpreter across sessions. Next, you configure the editor and tools so execution is reliable. Open Settings. JSON and enable format on save, linting, and choose your formatter. Configure PyTest or Unitest options to match your project. Then install project dependencies into the activated virtualenv so imports resolve. After that, create a launch. JSON via the run view, add a Python debug configuration, set breakpoints, and use the integrated console. This yields reproducible runs and fast. Finally, run your test suite from the Test Explorer and iterate on failing tests until green. Tests validate environment and code changes. Automate common steps with tasks. JSON, lint, format, and run tests before commit to save time. If things go wrong, first confirm the selected interpreter matches your virtualenv, and that path points to the venv bin. Also review the Python extension output and developer tools console for errors. Those logs usually reveal misconfigured paths or missing modules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.